Here's your Storm Track 7 forecast.
Storm Track 7 meteorologist Danny Cassidy. Due to the rain we had yesterday as well as light winds, we do have dense fog advisory in place for our western and northern areas until at least noon on Sunday. This, of course, means visibility could be down to a quarter mile or less at times. The good news, at least, or a silver lining with this, is it won't be freezing fog. Temperatures will be above freezing, but still could be a little bit tricky out on those roads. Now, this was recorded at about 6:30. More counties could be added, but I think our northwestern areas in particular will have the worst because that's where we saw a little bit more sunshine to end the day Saturday. So that allowed that fog, that kind of clear sky and that fog to settle in. But we still could see fog no matter where you are in eastern Iowa, but it looks like the worst for now will be in our northwestern counties. As we head through the next 24 hours, you notice the winds are going to be helping the fog settle in. Again, only about 5 miles per hour, really for the next 24 hours, maybe up to 10 tomorrow. But with those light winds and with a lot of cloud cover, that fog, although maybe not be as dense at times, is going to probably be here until through the day on Monday. Overall tonight, low temperatures will be in the mid to upper 30s. So as I mentioned, it'll be above freezing, but still could definitely see some treacherous conditions just because of visibility being so low. During the day tomorrow, high temperatures a little bit cooler than it was today in the upper 30s for Decorah and New Hampton. Otherwise, for the rest of the region, low to mid 40s. That fog continuing, especially in the morning, as well as cloudy skies and a light northwest wind. Then starting on Monday, things change a little bit. So future track here, we're going to see some rain that's going to stay off to our east. We could see some drizzle in our region, but that's about it. I don't think we'll see any substantial rainfall like we saw on Friday. Here's Monday morning. We have cloudy skies, but we stay dry. I think most of the day Monday is dry. It stays off to our south and to our west. But then for that evening commute, we could maybe see some rain on our southwestern edge. So if we see anything during the day on Monday, it'll be rain. Then come Monday night, some cooler air moves in. I think areas along and south of I-80 will mostly see rain. It's north of I-80 where we maybe could see a little bit of a wintry mix. However, it's going to be light. Snow totals will be less than an inch. And we'll see how far north and east it does spread. I think primarily it'll be kind of in the Waterloo area and south, kind of the southwestern area right here. North and east probably won't see as much. But again, we'll keep an eye on it and keep you posted as we get closer. We'll have a much better idea, I think, tomorrow when a lot of the short-term data points start to come in. Regardless, that moves out Tuesday morning, and then we'll just have another cloudy day Tuesday. The winds pick up on Tuesday, so that'll help dispel the fog a little bit or expel the fog a little bit, but it is going to be pretty chilly, so you kind of have to take one or the other with the fog and the cold. Your city-by-city forecast for Waterloo, Dubuque, Cedar Rapids, and Iowa City. So you notice with the percentages where it's a little bit more likely. So Iowa City 60%, Cedar Rapids 50%, Waterloo 40%, and Dubuque 30%. In our northern and eastern areas, a little less likely to see this than our southern and western areas. But notice the temperature drop off Monday into Tuesday. Strong northwest winds come in. We'll see gusts up to 30 miles per hour Tuesday, and for New Year's Day, it'll be dry on New Year's Eve and New Year's Day, so travel will be okay. But the one thing to watch for is if any of this comes through, if those temperatures hit freezing, we could have some slick roads early Tuesday morning, and then maybe some refreeze potentially Tuesday night. But winds will be strong, so by Monday night, I think the fog will start to expel a little bit. Then as we head for the first week of 2025, temperatures continue to plummet a little bit. We'll see low temperatures in the single digits at times, and then maybe a snow chance for us the following Sunday. We still have some details to iron out. It's still about 8 days away, so a lot of things can change. What we are a little bit more confident in is these temperatures dropping. We could be in the teens for high temperatures the following week and single digits and possibly below zero for low temperatures.